For nearly 60 years, the word Alpina represented a highly specific, almost secretive tier of German automotive excellence. Based out of the small Bavarian town of Buchloe, it wasn't an in-house performance division like BMW's aggressive M brand. It was an independent, family-run tuning house that took standard BMWs and re-engineered them into hyper-exclusive, continent-crushing Grand Tours. But as of January 2026, that era is officially over. BMW has fully absorbed the Alpina name, transitioning it from an independent partner into a fully integrated luxury sub-brand. And right here, at the prestigious 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este, they just pulled the silk sheet off this, the Vision BMW ALPINA concept. Today, we're breaking down how BMW is completely rethinking automotive luxury, what makes the 2027 platform fundamentally different from anything that came before it, and why this might just be the most beautiful car of the decade.
Let's talk about the design language debuting on the Vision concept, which directly previews the styling cues hitting showrooms for the 2027 model year. Stretching a massive 5.2 meters long, roughly the size of a full-length flagship sedan, the Vision concept drops the sharp, aggressive, jagged creases found on modern BMW M cars. Instead, it features full, flowing surfaces and powerful restraint. Up front, it pays homage to the legendary E24 generation Alpina B7 with a dramatic, forward-leaning shark nose interpretation of the classic BMW kidney grille. It features a subtle, warm white backlighting system that creates a floating, three-dimensional effect. Look closely at the profile and you'll spot classic Alpina hallmarks updated for the modern era. The signature multi-spoke alloy wheels, a 20-spoke design that has remained a constant since 1971, are sized at 22 inches in the front and 23 inches in the back. Even the iconic thin deco-set pinstripes running along the bodywork are making a comeback, but with a major luxury upgrade. On the 2027 production models, these stripes will be painstakingly hand-painted across the body lines, rather than applied as decals. And despite a completely smooth, door-handle-free side profile that mimics a futuristic electric vehicle, the rear end proudly sports traditional elliptical quad exhaust tips. Why? Because tucked beneath that long, sweeping hood is a dying breed, a pure, non-hybrid, twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine.
The cabin features an ultra-premium two-tone architecture using full-grain semi-aniline leather sourced exclusively from the Alpine region. The steering wheel features vertical twin spokes, classic heritage blue and green accent stitching, and clear-cut crystal reserved strictly for the controls that affect the actual driving dynamics. Tech-wise, it integrates BMW's next-generation iDrive X system, pairing a unique rhomboid-shaped central touchscreen with a spectacular panoramic vision display that projects vital driving metrics seamlessly across the entire base of the windshield. But the real magic happens when you switch the drive mode. While standard BMWs feature sport and comfort, the 2027 lineup retains Alpina's legendary Comfort Plus mode. This recalibrates the active dampers to deliver a riding-on-a-cloud suspension feel that is second only to a Rolls-Royce. And for the passengers in the back, the full-length center console houses a self-deploying magnetic mechanism that gently raises a custom glass water bottle in matching engraved crystal glasses, illuminated by soft ambient lighting. So when can you actually buy one, and what will the final production cars look like? BMW has officially confirmed that the very first production model under this new era will debut in 2027, built upon the heavily refreshed flagship BMW 7 Series platform. Shortly after, we will see an ultra-luxury Alpina variant of the X7 SUV to take the fight directly to the Range Rover SV. While annual volumes will be kept low, estimated at around 2,500 units globally to maintain strict exclusivity, production won't be artificially capped. Pricing is expected to easily clear the $200,000 mark before you even glance at the endless bespoke personalization options. For decades, purists worried that if BMW ever fully bought Alpina, the boutique charm and mechanical nuance of the Buchloe shop would be swallowed up by corporate conformity. But looking at the Vision concept and the engineering roadmap for 2027, the reality is the exact opposite. BMW isn't killing Alpina. They are giving it the multi-billion-dollar backing, advanced technology, and global stage it always deserved. Drop a comment below. If you had $250,000 to spend on a high-speed, ultra-luxury Grand Tour, are you buying the new 2027 BMW Alpina, or are you stuck on a Bentley? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into automotive design and corporate history, and we'll see you in the next one.